Welcome back to another video of California Safety Systems, ADAS Calibration Services. That's what we do. And today we're going to be working on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz, what is it, CLS550? I think it is. It's a CLS550. What we did, or actually what someone else did, Peninsula Auto Glass replaced this windshield. So we're going to do the calibration for it. Peninsula Auto Glass, they were based out of the Bay Area in California, San Francisco area. They moved, I think, but they did this windshield here today. So vamos a estar trabajando el día de hoy, este 2016 Mercedes CLS 550, cambiaron el windshield, así que vamos a programar la cámara. We're going to be using the Autel, what is it, IA700, and the target, it's that white target in the middle. Vamos a estar usando el IA700 con ese target que está en medio. So we're going to get going. We're going to identify the vehicle. Alex is going to start working on the scanner. Identifying the vehicle, we're going to command the calibration from here. What do you got?
Ya lo tengo listo, ya tenía el carro, ya lo tenía.
Okay, so the vehicle has been identified and we are already into the ADAS menu. All right, it's scanning right now. Como pueden ver, ya está escaneando y vamos a calibrar la cámara. So there is no fault codes because there is no issues with it other than the fact that the windshield was replaced, and that's the reason why we're going to be doing this calibration. Hopefully you can see Alex just selected the replaced windshield calibration, the replaced windshield option. Como pueden ver, no hay códigos de falla, solamente que cambiamos el parabrisas y es un requerimiento, por eso es que se va a hacer. So our setup, it's the floor that we have here, it's pretty flat and even level. There is no issues with it. So we're going to be selecting, I think it was option A, right?
Yeah.
So vamos a seleccionar la opción A porque el piso que tenemos está parejo. And if the following condition met, there is a least space of in front of 88 millimeters. 88 millimeters. That's what. That's 3.46 inches. Yes, we do have. Well, you can see from here. So that means that the target is going to be positioned right next to the bumper. So those are the accessories that we're going to be using. Like I told you at the beginning, top left of that picture, it's the target that we're going to be using. We have the frame, the clamps, and the measuring distance device. So esos son los accesorios que vamos a ocupar. El target, los clamps, el frame y el accesorio para medir distancia. We're going to click next. We went through the inspection of this vehicle. We checked fuel gauge, suspension. We measured it. Everything is in order, so we're just going to proceed with it. Ya chequeamos el vehículo y todo está listo. Tanque, gasolina, suspensión, aire de llantas, carro vacío. So everything is in order. We're just gonna continue with the calibration. So what you see on this screen right now, it's just instructions on how to set up the frame itself. This got nothing to do with the calibration of the camera. I mean, in terms of related to the vehicle. I mean, this does not affect the calibration. This is just the way we set up this device. So las instrucciones que se miran ahí simplemente son para el frame. No tiene nada que ver con la calibración, simplemente es para armar el frame. So let's see what we have. And what does it say? Can I see from here?
No, está reconociendo ahí los targets traseros, ahorita se va a ajustar solo.
Okay. As you can tell, it couldn't identify the targets, so it's going to lower itself to look for the target in the back of the wheel. Once it finds the targets, it's just going to stop. Let me reposition. There you go, so you guys can see. As you can see, that's the target that it's calling for. Es el target que pide. And those are the specifications that it's calling for, the distances between the vehicle and the frame itself. Let me bring you in closer. Right there. Hopefully you can see. Can you lift this up a little bit? The camera, Alex? Lift it up a little bit.
More like
Yeah, up. Bring it up. More. Like that. And see if we can get a different angle. Hopefully that. And the target just fell. I guess that's why they put those safety straps on it. Okay, so we're gonna bring all those distances as close to 0 and as close to the desired angle that it's gonna call for, and the height and the distance. So distance has been acquired. It's within 5 millimeters. Distance is the one at the center. Now we're gonna set the other 2 measurements until we get them as close to 0 as we can. Anything within 1-2 millimeters, it's acceptable. As you can see, it turns green even if it's within 3 or 4. We always try to leave it as close to 0 as we can. All right, now the height, what is calling for? It's calling for the pitch. Pitch and roll angle. That's those are measurements related to the beam, to the frame. Está llamando para calcular el pitch y el roll angle. Eso se le calibran con estas perillas y eso es para posicionar el frame. Okay, so everything's within specs. So if we hit the automatic option, this thing will raise up to the desired height that it's needed for this calibration. We used to do that manually with that unit over there. We still use it regularly. It's just that this one's capable of doing it on its own. Antes lo hacíamos con la otra máquina, ahora lo hacemos con este. So we're about to command the calibration. So we're just gonna get out of the eyesight of the camera. We're gonna come to this side. And what do we have? So let me see that. Okay. So we're gonna click next and turn off those. You did turn them off?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna click OK. We're gonna click OK. All right, that's just a warning saying that if you click yes, the calibration will be performed. And if it's boarded by some reason interrupted, it's going to generate code alpha 28600. Okay, so we're going to click yes. Ahí simplemente dice que si comandamos la calibración y la interrumpimos, nos va a generar ese código de falla. So ya pusimos next. And as you can see, that's the result saying that the calibration status is system calibrated. We can take a screenshot. Okay, vamos a sacar una captura de pantalla, ya terminó la calibración. El vehículo está ahí, nuestro trabajo es simplemente posicionar los targets en la posición que se requiere y comandar la calibración, lo demás lo hace el vehículo. So what we do is just position targets on the required spot, like on the requirement, the distance between the vehicle and the target. That's what we have to do. The rest, it's the scanner and the vehicle. Actually, the scanner commands the calibration, and the calibration is at the end done by the camera itself. Okay, hope you like the video. This is what we do. We're in the Bay Area in California, San Francisco area. If you need any type of calibration for ADAS systems, being that front radars, cameras, park assist, blind spots, 360 degrees surround view systems, you can call us at 789-0038. If you like the content, you want to learn about it, you want to ask any questions, just put them in the comments. We'll try to answer them as we can. Estamos aquí en el área de la bahía, en la zona de San Francisco, en la península. Nuestro teléfono 650-789-0038 si necesitan calibraciones de radares, cámaras, blind spot, sistemas de parqueadero, todo lo que necesiten relacionado con vehículos electrónicos, sistemas eléctricos, programaciones, nos pueden llamar, ¿ok? Si quieren aprender de ADAS, tenemos más contenido ahí en el canal. Suscríbanse y pongan sus comentarios, cualquier duda que tengan. Subscribe, leave a comment, share the content. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.